Hello everyone, this is Hafiz and welcome to my channel. Recently I was trying to install Windows 7 using bootable flash drive, but after booting I was stuck on this error. I checked, everything is fine with BIOS settings, hard drive is working properly, so there was no issue with the BIOS. So I did some research and found that Windows 7 will not detect the drivers if the USB is plugged into 3.0 port. So the solution was very simple. I had to just remove the flash drive from 3.0 and plugged into the 2.0 port. So I just removed bootable flash drive from 3.0 and plugged into USB 2.0. Then I just reboot the system again and choose flash drive as my first boot device. So now as you can see, I am able to run setup without any error. I hope this video helps some users facing same load driver issue while installing Windows 7 operating system. If this video helps you, so please do not forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. See you until next time. Thanks.